Adcreative.ai is a powerful AI tool that can help businesses generate high-quality ad creatives and social media posts that are optimized for conversion. Adcreative.ai is one of the top 3 fastest-growing products in the world. Trained AI. You start by adding your brand, creating a project, and setting a few parameters. Then you add AI text prompts, choose some background art, and run it. This machine learning model is learning every day and provides up-to-date creatives with a sole purpose: conversion. How to use Adcreative.ai. You need to follow these steps. Link in the description of this AI tool. If you enjoying this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel, the AI Studio. So let's start the video. 1. Create an account and log in to the tool. Connect your social media ad accounts with the AI advertising platform to get more personalized and relevant ad creatives. 2. Create your brand by adding your name, logo, colors, and description. 3. Create a project by selecting the type of ad creative you want to generate: ad, social, or text. 4. Use the Text AI button to generate conversion-focused headlines and punchlines quickly. 5. Select the size and format of your ad creative. 6. Choose or upload an image for your ad creative and use the Image AI button to generate different variations. 7. Use the Generate button to create ad creatives, social media post creatives, and texts using AI. 8. Test different ad designs and sizes to see which ones perform better and increase your conversion rates. 9. Download or publish your ad creative to your connected social media platforms. Adcreative.ai. Who can use it? E-commerce stores, startups, or marketing agencies with many accounts. Basically anyone who needs an unfair advantage thanks to this unique AI. 1. Startups. Spend your money on creatives that convert. Make the most of the strongest artificial intelligence on the ad creation market. 2. E-commerce. This machine learning model generate custom creatives, banners for your entire product catalog. 3. Agencies. Generate ad creatives and banners that have up to 14x better conversion rates for your entire client portfolio. How does this AI tool work? Adcreative.ai is a data company that possesses one of the largest databases of high conversion rate ad creatives. It is the only company capable of generating conversion-focused ad creatives using generative AI. 1. Creative collection. We gather creative content from all the prominent social and display platforms. 2. Creative analysis. We analyze each of the gathered creatives and create over 80 data points per image. 3. Machine learning. Using the data points and the performance of the creative, we train our unique machine learning model. 4. Creative generation. Our unique generative AI swiftly generates high ROI ad creatives and ranks them according to their anticipated conversion rates.